Buying a nail gun and air compressor in your store is so troublesome.
Please take me to my investments spreadsheet. Please take me to my investments spreadsheet.
Buying printer ink and toner, please. Buying printer ink and toner, please.
What for fees do you have to pay?
What are the store hours? I'm frustrated. Where do I start creating a will? I'm frustrated. Where do I start creating a will? I'm frustrated. Where do I start creating a will?
Could you advise me on how to get a credit limit increase?
What are you on about? What is in network? What are you on about? What is in network?
How long does it take to get an estimate on car damage? How long does it take to get an estimate on car damage?
I am very excited about working with an advisor.
I just want to verify if my payment has been made.
It's so sad that the insurance not include motorcycle coverage.
Is the dental service covered up?
I wish to change this damaged item.
I'm very satisfied with my auto insurance. I got full coverage.
This is so frustrating. No one is helping me to replace my water filters. Hi, can I speak to anybody available?
Can't check account history make me sad?
I want to compare savings accounts to find out which one's the best one for me.
The new washer and dryer that I bought is not working. This is so annoying.
I want to compare savings accounts to find out which one's the best one for me.
Will you just listen? I want to order. Will you just listen? I want to order breakfast, not dinner.
Who is a good candidate to get crowns and bridges?
You're so stupid. I said I wanna buy wine, not beer. I understand that the cause of death matters in claiming your insurance.
When the cart will arrive, please.
You're so stupid. I said I wanna buy wine, not beer.
Hi, how do I enter a promo code? Hi, how do I enter a promo code?
Oh, so what brands are gluten-free?
Is there a way you could increase the value of my home? I don't think it's that low. Please?
What do I need to do to protect my account from frauds?
I'm so excited to know the rewards that are eligible for my credit card. I'm so excited to know the rewards that are eligible for my credit card.
Why can't you just bloody understand me? I want to add a driver to my car insurance.
Hi, if I accidentally hit an animal, is it included in my auto insurance?
I'm sorry, can you explain a domestic wire transfer to me?
I'm so frustrated that you don't have diabetes care in your store.
Please explain to me what a loan consigner does.